Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafethu, Orlando Pirates baye-eliminate-ile noma ikhishiwe laphana ku-CAF Champions League njengoba ishawe iLupopo kuma-penalty. Orlando Pirates isubmithe i-complaint ku-CAF. Umphathi-ke bafethu weLupopo uthi Orlando Pirates ithathe izinto ku-social media and then yabhala i-complaint. Lezi zinto lezi abazishilo azikho, zonke lezi zinto lezi abazishilo kusho ukuthi-ke iLupopo ayinacala, izodlala freely i-CAF Champions League. Kusho ukuthi-ke uMukoko sombona edlala against iMamelodi Sundowns. He went on to explain even nendaba zama-player, i-Orlando Pirates ikhiphe i-statement laphana ukuthi ama-player arejistwe wrong, bekungamelanga arejistwe sokuvaliwe, izinto ezinjalo. And then umphathi weLupopo uze wabonisa u-Andile Ncube bafethu ukuthi barejiste i-player ngesikhathi esi-right, uze wamkhiphela ifoni wambonisa everything laphana ku-CAF ukuthi benze izinto right. Kusho ukuthi Orlando Pirates they were misled. Kusho ukuthi Orlando Pirates ithole information wrong. Uze washo naye loya mphathi wathi Orlando Pirates ithole information online, yasebenzisa leyo information leyo. Then he went on to explain ukuthi i-coach yabo beyi-suspended kuma-national team, not e-teamini. So he cannot coach internationally or ku-national team, but he can coach a team. He was approved by ICAF. ICAF emnike i-right ukuthi abe laphana ku-touchline, because if he was not approved by ICAF bengeke abe kuphi ku-touchline. So bam-approvile ukuthi abe i-coach yeLupopo. Yeah, as the way achaze ngakhona bafethu kusho ukuthi Orlando Pirates ayinacala, or le cala le Orlando Pirates into engekho nje ukuforced. They just have to focus kulama cup competitions, obo-Carling Knockout, i-Nedbank Cup is coming, nokulwela i-league yala e-South Africa. Siyazi ukuthi obvious ba-emotionally ba-invest imali eningi kakhulu, bafuna ukucompete ku-continental level, because they think this season they had a better chance ukuya all the way, because bebane-squad esi-well equipped ukuthi singacompete. Unfortunately izinto kazihambanga ngendlela yabo, baba-knocke out kuma-penalty. Siyazi ukuthi badlale kahle kakhulu ku-return leg ukuthi bashaye 3 goals bagcine baya kuma-penalty, but into ebalimaze kakhulu first leg bashawe 3 laphana eCongo. I mean it's sad ukuthi ba-invest imali ey'ngaka, baletha ama-player angaka, a new coach, understanding ukuthi they have to go all out or all the way laphana ku-continental level, only for them to be knocked out way before ama-group stages. So yeah man, but yeah, the way achaze ngakhona umphathi laphana bela eSouth Africa. Cabanga ucoach weLupopo usukile lena eCongo weza la wazobukela i-draw, noma weza ku-draw straight laphana eRandburg ku-multi choice la abaphathi bamabhola noma bama-team around the continent bebalaphana for i-draw ye-CAF Confederations Cup ne-CAF Champions League. So kula athole khona opportunity yokukhuluma ne-Metro FM, kula yaveze yonke into ukuthi Orlando Pirates awekho lamacala wabo. Bombona nje ukuthi akusinto emstressayo, akusinento ayicabanga kakhulu, but-ke nje uzivezele ukuthi Orlando Pirates complaina ngento engekho. Sikhumbule ukuthi umphathi lona wabathembisi amabonus amakhulu laphana ama-play if bayakwazi ukuprogressa to ama-group stages, so bebadlalela iy'mali eyi-serious, sithembe ukuthi batholile. But yeah, Orlando Pirates bafethu they just have to go back to the drawing board, bozama next season, babone ukuthi next season kungenzakalani. This season akuhambanga kahle, siyazi-ke amanye ba-complaine ngama-player. At the same time uMukoko wakhona lo sedume iSouth Africa yonke, wadlalise kabuhlungu ama-player Orlando Pirates. Ngike ngakhuluma ngayo indaba yakhona izolo, ngathi amanye ama-clip or izinto bezingaveli e-TV because of bekakhahlela nje abantu or ebalimaza, even if abaphethanga ibhola be-around yena, and then azenze i-victim. So yeah, well they played dirty, very very dirty. Even noThemba Zwane ukukhulumile indaba ukuthi they play dirty, but ucabanga uthe bazoba-analyze, bazobona ukuthi bazodlala nabo kanjani nanokuthi bazobaplanela kanjani. Yes bafethu, ningizwe kahle. Breaking news, Orlando Pirates out of i-Champions League according to umphathi weLupopo. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.